In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Monopoly Go invite friends not working. In here, you can invite friends via link. So just click on the friends button in here. And then click on invite again. So you can invite via Facebook or you can share your link by clicking invite. So you just have to copy the link over here and then send it to your friends. Now, if this still not working, you can try to delete the data or the cache of your Monopoly app. So just go ahead into your settings and then click on apps and notifications. So in here, just go ahead and click on Monopoly and then click on storage and cache. So you can now clear the cache or clear the storage. So once you're done, you can now go ahead and go back to your Monopoly app and try to invite your friends again. So I hope this method works for you. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.